Go for it.
अंशु कहाँ भाग गई तू?
Yes, ma'am. I have to start.
Yes.
क्या बोल रहा था? बुढ़े के लोग नहीं करती है समाज
नहीं तो बस यही
Harshita, start.
Yes, ma'am. I have to start.
Yes.
Well, I don't think that the beauty pageants and the beauty pageants like Miss Universe and Miss World winners are doing anything remarkable for the society. And nor are they empowering females because they are still not ready to give up on the stereotypical background of females' body type, especially their height, body weight, etc. A woman participating in beauty pageants till date has to undergo these criteria, and even our past winners have done nothing in this regard. So this is my point against them.
Okay. Samiksha. Sorry, Sharmili.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, so first of all, I would like to say that if we go for a like beauty pageants, like the money they would make for the contest from the tickets, they just directly go to the children welfare and distribute the money, and they are very doing good work at this stage. And for example, like in an interview, Shilpa Shetty and sorry, Aishwarya Rai, yeah, Shilpa Shetty has said that while he doesn't for the first time when he was representing as a Miss World, then he would she just don't know how to do this work, and so she just went on like that. And when he went on the stage, when she went on the stage, she just appear and she just answer. What was the point? I didn't remember it. Ma'am, may I just took a
Okay.
second, please?
Yeah. Okay. From Harshita's team. Samiksha. Samiksha is there? No, Samiksha left. Okay. Meera Prasad.
बॉलीवुड मूवी में जाने की तैयारी करने लगती हैं पैसों से, और जितने उनके बचपन के शौक बाकी रहते हैं वो चाइल्डहुड का, वो अपना पूरा करने में लग जाती हैं वो लोग, और समाज सेवा को भूल जाती हैं, बिल्कुल भूल जाती हैं वो लोग, समाज सेवा नहीं करती हैं। मैं तो दावा के साथ कहूंगी कि लोग समाज सेवा नहीं करती हैं, वो अपना 50 लड़कों से अफेयर करते फिरती हैं। 50 लड़का से कम उनका बॉयफ्रेंड नहीं होता है, कम से कम उन्हीं पर वो लोग खर्च करती हैं, और अपने माँ बाप के लिए भी सोचती हैं वो लोग, लेकिन समाज के लिए नहीं सोचती हैं। माँ बाप को भी आगे बढ़ा देती हैं, लेकिन सिर्फ अपने परिवार तक ही सीमित रहती हैं वो लोग। खाली दिखावे के लिए वो लोग थोड़ा बहुत काम करती हैं, जो कि ढोंगबाजी होता है। मैं तो मिस यूनिवर्स से बॉम्बे में बात की हूँ, बगल में बैठी हूँ वो लोगों से, मैं ये इतनी घमंडी होती हैं वो लोग, इतनी घमंडी कि शायद ही कोई घमंडी होगा, ऐसे वो लोग बिहेव करती हैं। तो क्या मिस इंडिया बन गई, चाहे मिस यूनिवर्स बन गई, तो क्या उनके धरती पर पैर नहीं रहना चाहिए? व्हाट?
Okay, thank you. Prakriti.
Yes, ma'am.
Prakriti.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir?
Yeah. I think that the people like the Miss Universe and the Miss World and all the misses do a lot of social work, like donating money to the charity, and they sometimes I've seen that they do a lot of social work, like they go to NGOs and give a lot of clothes and blankets and all that stuff. So this is a plus point of them.
Okay. You think they go to the NGOs and they do charity work? Okay. Next.
I've seen it in the.
Okay, next, Arush. Arush,
Yes, ma'am.
what's your answer?
Ma'am, what is the question only? I don't know the question.
The question is, do beauty pageant winners perform well? Like they have lots of charity work they have to do. They have got lots of responsibility. towards the society? Do they do those things, or they just earn money and make fame?
They only earn money.
Okay, they just earn money, nothing else. Thank you, Arush. How can you explain how and why?
Ma'am, I wanted to add something more. They are just making some movies and and taking money. They are spending in lots of things. Like they are also buying Lamborghinis.
Okay.
They are also doing small charity. I think so. Not a big charity, actually, but they do charity. They
Okay.
it is not like it is not that they only give to one in a day in a no in a 2 years they give only to one poor guy. Like we should also do charity. But they do charity, but very little. They
Okay.
don't do like Ambani.
Okay. You think Ambani do lots of charity?
They are not spending money also. They have just
Like
kept
Ambani.
Do
they have
do
just kept in
Arush,
his.
do Ambani do charity?
Yes, we should also do the charity.
No,
The
I'm
whole
asking. Do Ambani do charity?
yes, he does.
How much money does he do, like pay to the person?
But not that much.
He also doesn't.
Like small charity.
See,
No.
Prakriti is saying 0 rupees charity. He doesn't
Like
do
in the
any charity.
COVID-19 Omicron.
Okay, how much
He
money
gives only
he
one
can-
paisa, only one paisa.
They spend small charity only.
Okay, he also spends small charity. Okay.
But the Miss India should also do the charity.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Sarmili.
Ma'am, I want to add something more, a bit, a small line.
Okay.
When I will be also a famous person in the whole world, I will do big charity, not a short charity. I will do
Arush,
long.
please tell me the date when you are going to become a famous person. I'll be the first one to come to your home and get all the money.
I don't know.
Arush, charity begins
Arush
from
will
home.
give
No,
I will be 30 or 45 years.
Arush, there is a dialogue. Charity begins from home. So please donate some money to me, and then you can start.
Arush will
Okay,
give,
I need
Arush
to
will
donate.
give one Arab to every charity.
Yes, like everyone, Nidhi
I
and
will spend when I will be a billionaire.
okay, Arush, just become a billionaire as fast as you can, because I need a billion money as a charity from you. Okay?
I spend 5 to 100 rupees in a day.
200
Because
rupees. Arush will become a billionaire and he will donate only 200 rupees per day.
no, right
To
now
himself.
Very bad, Arush.
Arush,
Very
this is very bad. Very bad. Arush, when you are
10
earning
to
billion,
50 rupees.
10 to 50 rupees.
I'm doing now. I will be a
Okay.
billionaire. Spend 10 infinity rupees.
Okay, thank you,
No,
Arush.
he is telling he's giving now. He's giving now 10
Okay.
to 50.
But
No,
you
when I
did.
will be a billionaire.
Arush, how are you like getting money?
Okay, Arush got confused. I'll give. Okay, Arush, wait. I'm giving you 2
In
minutes.
a month.
Arush, decide how. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Decide how much money you will donate. Okay. After 2 minutes, I'll come back to you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
Bye. Sharmili.
Yes, ma'am. So I was saying that for the Miss Beauty pageants, they just don't do the charity work, but they also become a confident movement to go up on the stage and represent their country, their particular uh, region or a thing, and that wouldn't be a easy one to go and go for this big competition, answer those difficult questions with a pride, with those beautiful way they just represent themselves, and they're confident, because I think we just lack confidence. Everyone just lack confidence, and that particular thing that they just bring up on the stage, and they inspire a lot of women, like a lot. If someone just sit and look on the TV, the pride they bring, and we just get a look, okay, that lady is something, that she just went to the stage and do such a thing, a good thing, and they inspire a lot of women. And about the charity thing, I would like to say, uh, in the organization, when they just started the organization Miss Beauty, Miss World, they just for the first time they just donated $250 billion for the first time in the charity of children. And from since then 1998, they are donating their mostly 250 most of the percentage of their income in this charity donation. So a good thing, like we should uh, they do charity, and they just bring pride to the country. They show the confidence we lack, and we should support them. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. And Shravan, come on,
Good
Shravan,
evening,
go against your sister.
ma'am. Ma'am, they charitize, ma'am, but ma'am, they spent a lot of money in, ma'am, in their home, and serving their their private places. So ma'am, they don't, ma'am, they are really very arrogant, and when money comes in your hand, what if everyone do, ma'am, so ma'am. So, ma'am, they are very arrogant, and uh, doesn't they didn't, support the country much, but ma'am, they really bring pride and advertise the country. That's another part. But I don't think, ma'am, they haven't really in the present. They haven't done anything that is very much beneficial, but also they do do bad things. I'm like, they spent a lot of money in their homes, and ma'am, do their complete their dreams, ma'am, not think about the society, ma'am. So ma'am,
Shravan,
they are
one
no.
more question from you.
Yes,
If you earn a lot of money, like 1 billion,
yes,
you will first give money to your family members, or you will do charity first?
ma'am, family members,
They
family
are also doing the same thing. Now they are earning, they are giving it to their
Ma'am,
family
just
first.
you only said that charity begins from home.
All that. And one more thing, Shravan, do you think
yes.
earning money makes people arrogant? If the people is, if
No,
anyone is
ma'am,
rich,
but ma'am, I have to say against it, so I have not
so
any.
anything.
So,
If you have to say against, you can say anything. Kuch bhi.
yeah.
It's like kuch bhi.
No,
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, may I
Harshita.
say?
Yeah, Harshita, go for it. Save your team
I
because your
have a
team is
very,
losing.
I,
While
yeah, I
debate
have
is
a
going
very
on.
famous point in support of my stand. Miss Universe 1996 was publicly criticized for her body weight. And that time, director of the Miss Universe organization, who was Mr. Donald Trump, openly called her Miss Piggy, which is a very derogatory comment towards a woman, especially when she is the face of the brand, when she is the brand ambassador of the organization. And none of the past winners or none of the Miss Universe contenders of that time, which were representing their respective countries, supported her or took a stand on her. So, how can I say that the pageants like Miss Universe and Miss World are actually glorifying a woman? They are not, because if it is a sisterhood, then in a sisterhood, one woman should always take the stand of another woman. One woman should always appreciate the other women on her success. And if someone is unnecessarily clinching her down, they should speak on that. They should speak against that. But none of the past winners or the Miss Universe representatives supported Miss Universe 1996. So I don't think that beauty pageants are actually glorifying beauties, or they are glorifying women or working towards women empowerment or feminism. That
Okay,
is just a myth. At the end of the day, they are only endorsing brands and nothing else.
Navya, just save your team. Navya,
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Save your team.
Ma'am, 2 minutes is
Okay.
done.
Arush, I'll come to you.
Ma'am, 2 minutes.
Arush, give me 1 more minute. After Navya, I'll come to you. Yes, Navya, save your team.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. First of all, during this COVID period, like the recent beauty pageant, over this, like the recent COVID situation, beauty pageants have had a lot of charity work. They volunteered at the child welfare. They gave food, clothes, and everything. They even donated a very big amount to the charity events. And I just want to say that people misjudge them a lot just because it's a beauty pageant. Like they always say that it's a ramp walk. There are some questions asked, and in the last two, some things are nominated, and that's it. But people don't even try to think or see that what is out there more. So I would say that they always do the charity work, and whenever who is the winner, they always like to take home the crown, like the prize, with something that they have truly earned, and they will also feel very happy that they have helped a lot of people.
Okay. Yes, Arush. Arush,
Yes, what was the question, ma'am?
how much money will you donate?
50, till 100 rupees.
Arush is
50 to-
earning 1 billion and is donating 100 rupees. He should never become a Mr. India or Mr. World.
Like,
Arush, very bad of you. You're just giving 150 rupees to them.
I am spending now 50 to
I'm
100
asking if you
Acha,
will
now,
earn, if you,
Ma'am,
he's
if we-
confused. I'm asking if you will earn 1 billion rupees, then how much money will you donate? Arush,
ma'am, I was saying that, like, how is he earning? He's just giving their parents money.
yeah, he's not earning and he's giving LWT
Yeah, so
money
how
to
is he
everyone.
saying that I'm giving them? I'm giving them.
It is a pocket money. You think that I am?
You don't get a pocket money. I asked.
Okay, we are
So,
just okay, Nidhi.
Arush,
Nidhi, but Nidhi,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, go
I
for it.
get
Yes,
every
ma'am.
day.
Hello. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, I think according to me, means, ma'am, these competitive, besides they are wearing the most expensive crown. I think they are getting such a lump sum, a big amount. I think they all forget their, means they don't even remember their charities, because what they said earlier, because they are getting a, they are getting a such a, means they are getting so many things for 1 year, means they are getting so many allowance in the case ki, like professional makeup artist, hairstylist, costume designers, even footwears, outfits. So they have to, uh, they means they are so addicted with all these, no, ki they means they are so glamorous with all these ki, because they are living in the New York apartment, as we all know ki they, you Miss Universe organization will give them a home from Miss Universe ki they have to stay in there in New York. So after getting 1 year such a luxurious lifestyle, they are so addicted with all that ki I don't think they remember their promises, and they just used to with all that. No, they don't even back with their normal routine or normal lifestyle. So just follow this. Just to follow this, they want to be in the glamorous field, and they want to get the chance to be the face of many luxury brands also. And they are getting money, and money, we all know that money sometimes makes people crazy. And
Okay, thank you,
thank
Nidhi.
you, ma'am.
Nice one, Nidhi. Shamili,
Yes, ma'am.
they are
Ma'am,
two
like,
one.
yes, ma'am, because they are saying like they become a prideful person after getting the crown or the pageant. Ma'am, I would like to say that why not? Because they are doing such a hard work for it. They are, because nowadays they are a bunch of books for these courses. We have to gain a lot of knowledge to go over there, represent the country, and think of matlab, think in all the perspective for a question, like all the perspective. Then why not to become a prideful person after getting that pageant? Because it's like if you're doing hard work for something and you're getting you just achieve that, then why wouldn't be like a prideful? Why don't, why you can't be a prideful? It's a good thing.
Okay. Yes, Prakriti, you want to add something?
Yes, ma'am. I would like to say that they do such a like so hard, like they work so hard, they have to give like speeches on the stage, and they work so hard for that, learning everything and studying. They have to be intelligent to speak and become the Miss Universe or the Miss World.
Okay. Harshita.
And they bring pride
ma'am.
to our country, to the country also, because we are sitting here and watching TV, and we feel proud that our country is someone is representing our country, and that person won. Yeah.
Harshita, last words from you.
Ma'am, I totally stand with Nidhi and Meera Auntie, because Meera Auntie gave a very relevant and timely point that maximum of the Miss India only participate in beauty pageants to open their doors for Bollywood. And it is not a lie. And I would love to counterpart Navya on a point where she said that many of the beauty pageants past winners and many of Miss India winners actually helped and volunteered in the COVID situation, but it is totally wrong. Miss Universe India 2019, which was Adeline Castellino from Mangalore. Many people who are working with the Smile Train organization or were the volunteers for the Smile Train organization actually said in front of the media and actually wrote an article in the newspaper that after the Miss Universe India and the Miss Universe competition for that perspective year was over, she did not even visited them again. So on which basis we could say that they are actually working for the society? No, after getting that coveted crown, after wearing that coveted title and the sash around their chest, they forget their real purpose. They forget the main slogan of the Miss Universe and the Miss World organization. Miss Universe, which stands for confidently beautiful, and Miss World, which stands for beauty with a purpose, but they forget that why they become a confidently beautiful women is to help the other women out there, is to reach out the other women. And as I only said that if it was actually a sisterhood, then the other participant, other country representative will never feel jealous about the other women. Like I would love to give a very recent example from the recent Miss Universe 2021, when the other top 16 finalists at the Miss Universe event was asked about their charities and their advocacy. Miss India and the Miss Universe 2021 winner Harnas Sandhu was asked to do a cat impression. Which sort of empowering thought it is about for women, that a woman is asked to do a cat impression, an animal impression in front of millions and billions of people watching it live? I don't think that they're actually empowering women. At the end of the day, the real deal is just cash, money, platform, and opening doors for Bollywood and Hollywood industries and nothing else. And I'm totally not against the film industries, because film industries are really, really important, but forgetting your real purpose just for getting fame, that's wrong. And you should not do that. If you're making such big promises that I'll do this for my society, I'll do that for my society, and at the end you're doing nothing. Once the competition is over, it's all about pack up. The drama companies end. The drama is over. Let's move on with our real life. So that's my point on that.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
And Shamini, your team has not done homework. Like there are many points which you could have said. Like you could have used Sushmita Sen as your.
Yes,
like,
ma'am.
She is the one
Yes,
who is Miss Universe. She has done many things for our country.
Yes.
You didn't name her. Not Prakriti, not Navya. I just wanted to hear her name. Aishwarya Rai, Sushmita Sen, they are doing charity. Still, they are doing charity for the society. You are only focusing on the current one. You forgot the past one. Who are still
Like, ma'am, I
doing.
honestly tell you, I'm a very big beauty pageant fan, and I got up at 4:30 a.m. in the morning to watch the live Miss Universe telecast. And they didn't give even any relevant point. Like I had so much of points like body criteria, beauty standards. They didn't say that we had 5'4" Miss Universe Australia. We had 2 black Miss Universe and black Miss World. They never mentioned any point like this. And it was so irritating. Like Sushmita Sen and Lara Datta has done a great thing for the society. And Aishwarya Rai was awarded for beauty with a lifetime award achievement at Miss World 2016. They didn't even mention these points.
You all didn't do your homework, so you all lost. So the winner is Harshita's team.
Ma'am, I was busy.
Okay, come on. Now you have to vote for Harshita, Meera Prasad, Shravan, and Nidhi. Please vote for them.
I have to vote now.
Yeah, everyone has to vote for Meera Prasad, Harshita, Navya, and
Harshita.
Harshita. Okay.
Harshita.
Everyone, please vote. Everyone has to vote. Harshita, you have to also vote. Arush, please vote. Arush, 150, earning 1 billion and just donating 150. Please vote. So we have 3 votes for Harshita. Harshita, you are the winner. Congrats.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, tomorrow's topic. Anyone? कल का टॉपिक कोई डिसाइड करना चाहेगा? Anyone from our team? Prakriti, any topic which you want? Which you can win.
ओमिक्रॉन पर कल टॉपिक दीजिए.
Okay.
अरे
Omicron
नहीं.
Omicron.
disadvantages.
Okay. स्कूल को दे देते हैं. Let's add school. और ओमिक्रॉन की वजह से ड्यू टू वायरस द स्कूल्स आर क्लोज. स्कूल को खुला होना चाहिए या बंद होना चाहिए? हेलो
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
your
your
voice
voice
is
is
breaking.
Okay, due to this COVID, only the schools are closed. Okay, आप शादी में जा सकते हो, हर जगह जा सकते हो, लेकिन सिर्फ स्कूल बंद है.
मैम इलेक्शन भी हो रहे हैं.
इलेक्शन भी हो रहे हैं. तो why only school closed? Who wants to support government? किसको लगता है स्कूल बंद होने चाहिए? श्रवण will be the leader. Yes, श्रवण चाहता है स्कूल बंद हो, तो he will support.
नहीं.
And Meera Prasad will be leader. स्कूल नहीं बंद हो. Okay?
नहीं, स्कूल बंद नहीं होना चाहिए.
हाँ ठीक है मैम. देखो मीरा प्रसाद मैम, स्कूल बंद नहीं होना चाहिए और श्रवण स्कूल बंद होना चाहिए. ठीक है.
डर के जिंदगी जिएगा लोग तो फिर कहीं आगे नहीं जाएगा.
Same teams or new teams?
न्यू टीम्स. श्रवण की टीम में आरुष को मेरे को पता है आरुष स्कूल बंद करना चाहता है, तो आई सेंड आरुष टू श्रवण टीम. आई नो प्रकृति सपोर्ट नहीं करना चाहती, स्कूल खुलना चाहती है, तो प्रकृति एंड मीरा प्रसाद टीम. ओके, एंड वी हैव Sharmili, you want to close the school or you want to open the school?
Open the school. I want to go outside the house.
Okay, Meera Prasad. Harshita, you want to close the school or open the school?
Open the school.
No. I can't send everyone to Meera. Right?
Okay, then close the school. वो भी चलेगा.
Okay, Harshita in Shravan's team. Harshita, Shravan and Arush. And in Meera Prasad team, we have Navya, Prakriti and Meera Prasad and Sharmili. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you everyone. Please थोड़ा
Thank you,
पढ़ के
ma'am.
आना. थोड़ा पढ़ के आना.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye everyone. Good night.
Bye, ma'am.